Bitcoin, Ethereum Technical Analysis, ETH, BTC both near to weak lows following recent declines. 40% of youngsters want to use crypto for payments, new research reveals. These are the top stories in the crypto space today. Stay tuned till the end of the video so that you will not miss any important updates. Welcome you all to the Daily Crypto News channel. We are committed to bringing a minimum of one video per day informing you about what's happening in the crypto space. We encourage you to comment on our videos so that it will help us to put more quality videos as you like us to do. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular notifications when we post new videos. With cheers, Maithari. Bitcoin, Ethereum Technical Analysis, ETH, BTC both near to weak lows following recent declines. BTC and ETH were once again lower during today's trading session, as both were trading close to two-week lows. Bitcoin dropped below $43,000 for the first time since 24th March, while ETH hit a bottom near $3,100 on Thursday. Bitcoin continued trading lower on Thursday, as the world's largest cryptocurrency fell below $43,000 for the first time in over 2 weeks. Following a peak of $45,424.98 on Wednesday, BTC USD fell to an intraday low of $42,899.91 during today's session. This is the lowest level BTC has traded since 24th March, and Bitcoin has seen its price fall close to its long-term support of $45,500. Since hitting this floor, prices have somewhat rebounded, with bulls ramping up pressure in order to keep them above the support. Looking at the chart, the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, has also fallen to its lowest point in over 5 weeks, however there could be more lows ahead. Should the RSI move below its current floor of 46.60, price strength could drop to as low as 34, as seen in late February. Ethereum. ETH also fell to a multi-week low during today's session, however prices have since rebounded after hitting a recent support point. As of writing, ETH USD had dropped to a bottom of $3,155.58 during today's session, which was close to its support of $3,145. However, prices have rallied since hitting this point, and it is now trading at $3,250.06, which is still 1.69% below yesterday's high. Similar to BTC, the 14-day RSI on the ETH chart is now tracking at 53.23, which is its lowest point since 15th March. However, it is still relatively overbought, as it remains above 50. The moving average of 10 days, RED, has also shown some signs of slowing, as it has begun trending sideways, which increases the chance of a future downward cross. Should this happen, prices will likely be trading below the $3,000 level, as momentum would have truly turned bearish at that point. Do you expect this decline in ETH to continue as we prepare for the weekend, following its recent upwards rally? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. 40% of youngsters want to use crypto for payments, new research reveals. As many as 40% of 18 to 35-year-old people in 11 countries want to use crypto for payments as they are more efficient and safer. Share. Crypto is rapidly gaining in appeal among younger demographics, with 40% of 18 to 35-year-old consumers expressing an intent to use cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and stablecoins, to pay for goods or services within the next 12 months, according to a new research report. The report, dubbed Demystifying Crypto, shedding light on the adoption of digital currencies for payments in 2022, was presented at the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami on 6 April by global payments provider Checkout.com. It points to an increasingly positive trend in the adoption of cryptocurrencies for online payments. In 2021, the figure was 30%, which marks a substantial shift in attitude from digital currencies being seen as solely an investment vehicle to a means of doing business on a regular basis, the report reads. Meanwhile, 23% of online businesses say they are planning to offer crypto payments by 2024. Crypto offers convenient, safer payment methods. According to the report, this increased consumer openness to cryptocurrency is driven by a broader appetite for more convenient, safer payment methods. Merchants are heeding the call and trying to capitalize on this new trend by providing the underlying infrastructure to support crypto payment methods. As a result, crypto is already having a material impact on merchants and the market overall. More than $2.5 billion worth of payments were made through Visa's crypto-backed card in the first fiscal quarter of 2022 alone. Merchants that have embraced cryptocurrency payments experienced net new growth, with 82% saying those options allowed them to rapidly attract new customers and reach new demographics. Almost 70% of the merchants surveyed believed that the speed with which crypto payments can be made and settled has the potential to revolutionize their business models, with over 80% of merchants with existing crypto payment options saying it was easier to settle than using fiat currencies. We believe this is the largest consumer survey of its kind, and the findings present a clear evolution of attitudes towards cryptocurrencies around the world. This is a legitimate transition from the early adoption phase to one that's more practical, pragmatic, and positive overall. Jess Holgrave, head of the strategy for crypto at Checkout.com, said, adding that this transition means there is a groundswell in demand for fintech companies that can provide easy-to-deploy solutions and services to get merchants up and running with crypto payment options, and then help them optimize the process over time. We expect that trend to only get stronger over the coming year as we bridge more services into Web3. Merchants want stablecoins on the balance sheet. According to the report, more than a third of the participants, including CFOs and corporate treasurers, are increasingly interested in holding stablecoins on their balance sheets. They see this as a way to use decentralized finance for treasury management. Some are going as far as planning to pay vendors and employees in stablecoins, primarily in response to demand from those audiences. Roughly 51% of companies have reported that at least some employees have expressed an interest in getting paid in crypto. More broadly, new communities of content creators, gamers, and gig workers are embracing crypto. 46% of online creatives say their fans and audiences have sent them digital currencies to support their work. One other likely scenario held by 65% of C-level executives is that Web3 will materially change the B2C dynamic as consumers increasingly become producers. Holgrave said, the cryptocurrency world is maturing and is increasingly being driven by utility, pragmatism, and empowerment. Checkout.com sees the potential for cryptocurrency to not only transform the way people transact, but also to potentially reinvent the dynamics of the entire digital economy. The report surveyed 30,000 consumers and 3,000 merchants in 11 countries, including the US, UK, several Western European countries, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Australia. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications when we post a new video. If you like the content, kindly share this video with your friends and press the like button. Happy learning!